최고.
Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're up the creek. I'm here with Dave. Just been snag bashing all morning, so yeah, as you can see the tide's pretty high now, but we've been fishing the incoming tide, just casting along, cruising along this sort of ground here, just peppering in, looking at little edges that kick out, little snags and that sort of thing, chasing jacks. So I'm going to throw a little bit of the footage from this morning in, and then we're going to go and get stuck into it here. I've actually been throwing, that's a little Lucky Craft pointer, 78 XD, 200 size reel, 702 Dobyns Champion Extreme, and yeah, 30-pound braid. So I've just been casting that along the banks here, and that now the tide's up, I'm going to change to a soft plastic. I'm going to put a little 4.5 Molix RT shad and skip him right up under the leaves and that sort of thing. So fingers crossed we can get some more. What a bait there. Flatty. Didn't really want you, mate. I've got some snags coming up. Yeah. Get out. Get out of my boat. Little snags coming. And ding them with a flatty. Go and get the pliers and it just falls off. Yeah, right. I kind of blew these ones. See if they are still there. Where's the cod at? Oh, you're gonna catch that, eh? Does it get you? No. Yeah! That's how you catch brim, mate. Oh, he's trying to brick me? I told ya. Once I'm on the board, I'm on the board. That thing is a donkey. Number one. The blue lips on him. Oh, kind of bloke wouldn't cast at one of them. 2 bites. What a fish, mate. That's the dungeon in there, look at it.
Fucking gulag.
It's the gulag. Yep, and I'm fouled up. I wonder if to a brim, or to any fish for that matter, when it gets pulled into the boat, if it's just like the gulag for us. And they got to fight their way out. They get back to their mates and they're like, mate, you're never going to believe what happened. This bloke come running around the corner, and I just popped him. My gill raker. Big snag in the middle of the creek would be nice. Oh, I can see a brim. I don't even know if I can get to him. Perfect cast. What's not to love about them? They're all big ones, eh? Prized species of North Queensland. Anyone can catch barra. Big black brim like that though, mate. Prized species. Oh, did you see that? I'll fish this bend. We'll see what the next one's like, but I reckon we'll probably... And there should be fish, like we're casting in good spots. Plenty of snags. They're just not up here because...
Look at that, that's a honey pot.
It's so easy. So I've got a bag now. It's a good bag too. Alright guys, I'm going for upgrades. There's one in there. See him? I'm just going to catch brim all day. This is awesome. Prize species. Couldn't get to him. Oh,
Beast mode.
my life is complete, eh? The only thing that would make this day better would be a whiting. Hey. Brim. There's heaps of me. Alright. And teabag this one. No, I'm not. Oh, another one in there. No.
Three brim.
Oh. Wow. Australia's #1 sports fish. That's him there.
Lionfish. Estuary fine.
Anything happening down here? Next spot. I don't know what the... if there's any many along here because it's so shallow, but we'll find out. A bit of shade. Jack should be fired up with this weather. Oh yep, there's something on the front of there. Little pockets of shade should hold the fish. You don't? Bolinski. I'm actually shocked that we haven't caught a barra or a cod. I would have stirred something up in there. This bend's got a heap of sunken timber on it. It's got a little bit of depth. That would be cool. I reckon this little hole in there. Oh yeah, boy! Nice one, mate.
He's alright.
You clipped your...
Yeah.
That's how you can guarantee you're going to catch a fish, eh? When you clip your reel cover onto the net. I thought you had a jack. It's a nice little one to start, Dave. We knew this bend was going to be good. It's a little bit shallower on the other side and there's a bit of a deep channel there. Yeah, that little pointer got it done. Yeah, as you can see, that current's coming around this corner here. The main current's going through there where it's quite shallow, so this is all quite slow running, and it's creating a nice little back eddy, which is hopefully got some jacks in it. That's what we're here for, but we'll take a little barra. It's a bit of fun. Taking brim so far, so take anything. Just give him a little shake and then press your thumb on his tongue. And that should fire him up. There he is. Oh, bait. Alright. I'm about to die. You biting, mate? Sweet. Alright, we've got plenty more to fish here, so let's keep going.
There's a little barra top 9 brim.
Nah. Not in the tournament. Nothing tops 9 brim, mate. He's looking for land. Get out of here. Oh, he's coming for us. Ah! Have you caught much? He's caught much?
Huh?
Put plastic on soon and start skipping them in. Tree assisted spot lock. Look at this. Epic cast all day.
Oh!
You just need the tea bag, eh? If you want to catch brim, you got to learn to tea bag.
Tetley's, man.
Tetley's tea bags. Skibbity wah papa. No. Pointer's going back on. I can't stand this. Ugh.
Hard body.
Yeah. Go get some live bait. I was joking, man. It's not a good idea at all. Go and get a kilo of pillies, box of squid, carton of northerns. That's how you catch fish, mate.
Barely roll.
Get some pippies. Pikey down the back. Dave's asleep. Dave's asleep. You're missing out, mate. Trophy species. Yes! In the live well. Yeah. Jack, Jack, Jackie. Say you feel the same. Whoa, Jack, Jack, Jackie. Can't get you off my mind. Fuck. What was that? What was that? I don't know. I had a whack though. I'll just go home and drink a whole carton, eh?
Oh.
Just top off my great day of brim success with a carton of cruisers. When you get to my level on the brim circuit, you don't drink beer anymore. You just drink cruisers. What's this one? This is the Jack, is it? Little barra.
Yeah.
Fish on! Little pup. I'm really disappointed about the lack of cod. Yeah, the pros, mate. The pros took them all.
Still under 10, still at 500.
Yeah, and woolies. That was a fish. Yep, he's in the bottom. That's the fish. That's the fish. Yeah. Yeah.
Hard sport.
I worked hard for that one. Alright guys, that's him there. Target species. We've been going all day for that. Yeah, bro. It's the smallest barra in the river.
It's healthy. Bite size.
Bite size.
Bite size.
Enough for a sandwich. Get him back. Oh, brim, brim, good brim. Yes, here we go. Oh, blew it. I'm gonna catch this one. I'm gonna get him. There he is. And fish on. Oh, he's cutting more. Look at him cutting the water. Oh, it jumped. Not a cod. Don't want it. Whatever they're paying me, I reckon I'm worth double. Ugh. Australia's #1 sports fish right there. Thank God for brim fishing, eh? going to give us a little bit more pace because we're catching so many fish up here that we're going to get trapped. My lure's got like no paint left on it from brim. I've done enough casts to deserve a jack. Just want to win the jack off. It's a nicer barra than the last couple. This one's legal, he's getting necked. Nice healthy fish too. I don't know if he'll be even legal. Reckon? He's legal. There's a brim there in that snag. See him? Alright, that's a better one for the day. Little pointer in there. Yeah, I'm going to put this one on the tape, and if he's 60 odd centimetres, he's getting cooled down in the esky. Alright, where's my little measure? $65. He's going in. He's been sitting in there, just getting all the blood off him so he doesn't make a mess in the esky. But yeah, 65 centimetres that one. Just going to put him in, keep him nice and fresh under the ice. Try and lay him nice and flat so that it makes it easier to fill it. And then everything else can go back in and get so fishy. Just like that. Sweet. Alright, he's going to get eaten tonight. So nice and fresh little barra. Little ones like that are probably the best size. Go too big and they get real fatty. So like an 80 sort of centimetre fish, you can see the fat in the ridges on the bottom of their fins and stuff like that. And when you fillet them, you can feel the oiliness in them. So yeah, that sort of size, 65 is probably the perfect size. So it's going to be good. Yeah, stop behind, we got that. The jack off, it's complete. Alright, he's going in this too. That's the target species! With fish? Yeah. 40 odd. Okay, so that just happened. There he is, nice little jack, 41 centimetres. And that little pointer, it's starting to get a bit bashed up. She's had a good day, but I'm going to take this one as well. He's going to go home. We're going to put him on the barbie tonight. So don't always keep creek fish, but barra and jacks are pretty good. Estuary Grand Slam, cod, brim, jack and a barra. Alright guys, that's us. We're back at the ramp now and Dave's on to get the car. So that's the little lure there, Lucky Craft pointer. As you can see, it's had a good day. Got a whole bunch of them that are looking the same. If you have a look there, all busted up. Have had a good life. So yeah, if you're chasing a good little all-round lure for the creeks and that sort of thing, little 78 XD is really good. You can just cast it up, crank it down into the snags, hit a bit of timber, and you can bounce it over. The big bib just helps it sort of pop over and keeps your snag free most of the time. So yeah, thanks for watching. While you're here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you next time.